Yo, what it do, everybody? It's your boy BC Wagner, the Mental Hustle Millionaire, and today's video is how to make quick money in one day online. Let's get right into it. Come on. Okay, let's get right into it. Quick money online in one day. Now, I'm not talking no small money. I'm not talking no 20, 50, $100 here and there. No, what I'm talking about is big money. I'm talking about $500 to $1,000 a day quickly online in one day. And in order for you to do that, you have to sell what's called a big ticketed item that's going to pay you at least $400 to $600 per sale. So if you're thinking about making little money quickly online, this is not the video for you. In fact, do me a favor. If you can hear my voice and I'm coming across clearly, do me a favor. Give me a like. Hit the subscribe button. Because what I'm going to do, I'm going to make more videos like this that's going to give you value and that's going to give you these tips and these tricks to make money from the comforts of your home online quickly and in one day. Now, let me clarify something before I get started. Now, to make money in one day, for somebody to actually make money quickly, somebody either has to give you cash, send it to you, Cash App, Venmo, somebody just put the money right in your hand. You know what I'm saying? Now, when we're talking about making money quickly online, what that means is that you have a product that you're selling and that is getting out to the masses, and someone picks it up, and then you get paid a commission. So in order to make money quickly online and in one day, we have to get you set up on a structure, or you have to attach yourself to a product that's already in place that can, when a sale is made, you get paid immediately either to your credit card or to your bank account or wherever you get it sent to. You know what I'm saying? So let's get right into it. Now, what I'm going to do is show you on my computer how to set yourself up so you can make quick money online in one day. And the way that gets that done is really simple. So let's go on over to the computer. All right, guys, I'm at my computer right now, and this is the method I'm going to show you how you can earn $500 to $1,000 or more per day really quickly. Now, this is something that you could realistically do right now with no experience. You don't have to be tech savvy. You don't even have to have any money. You can register on digistore24.com for free, and I'm going to show you how to do that later on in this video. So here we are right now at Digistore24, and as I stated before, this is a platform that will pay you up to 90% commissions on certain products. But this product right here, Done For You Services by Wesley Virgin, is a $1,000 product, and he pays you $500 per sale, which is a 50% commission, as you can see right here in the green circle where my cursor is going. Now, what I like about Digistore24 is that they're one of the larger affiliate network platforms, and they pay on time and they pay quickly. They have paid out over $2 billion to affiliates like myself and others all around the world who sell products. And if you're looking to make big money quickly, I recommend that you sell this product right here, Done For You Services by Wesley Virgin. And like I said, it pays $500 per sale. So with just 2 sales per day, that's $1,000 going into your bank account quickly in one day. Okay, guys, now I'm going to explain to you how you can get set up on Digistore and become an affiliate. The first thing that you want to do is you want to go and sign up on Digistore24. And once you sign up, you'll be able to come to the marketplace right here. Okay. And then what you're going to do, you type in Done For You Services. Hit enter. And it comes up right there, as you guys can see. Then next, what you want to do is you want to go to right here where it says promo link. Let me see if I can go in on that some. Give me 1 second. And do me a favor, if you can see this clearly, go ahead and hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. And we're going to keep going with this. Right here where my cursor is, it says your promo link. What you want to do is highlight that right there. And you want to copy that right there. And then you want to go over to Bitly once you get that link, because it'll have your affiliate ID on it. You come over here to Bitly, and then what you're going to do, you're going to shorten the link. Now, I've already done it right here. It's got a done for you services. And my Bitly link is Bitly Easy Go. Something that's real simple. I didn't want to come up with nothing real long. And you can put a custom ending on the end of your Bitly link. Okay, now once you got that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to all of your social media networks that you use, such as Facebook, Instagram, and you're going to post an invite to people to a free training. That's all you're going to do. And what you're going to say in that free training is, let me pull up a Facebook page. Pull up one of my pages. I have a page that's called The Mental Hustle Millionaire. Let me pull that up. You guys can see that. Let me know if you can see that or not. Okay, let me blow that up right quick. And what you're going to do is you're going to drop down and you're going to drop a post. And all you're going to do is invite someone to a free training. So let me blow that up just a little bit more. And here's what you're going to type. Here's a free training that taught me how to make money online. Check it out. And then you're going to put your link in. Oops, that's the wrong one. I want to put the short one. See, made a mistake. So we go back to Bitly. Make sure I copy it. Come back and paste it. And there is the post right there. And I like to put an emoji. And let me put check it out. And I usually finish mine, much love. BC. And I put an emoji on there. And that's it. And then you just hit post and you post it. Do that on every social media site that you use, and it's just that simple. Okay, guys, I'm going to do this again and show you how simple it is. And pardon me. Let me go ahead and bring this back down. In fact, I'm going to post it on my regular page. Let's leave this page. And we're going to put one right here on my regular page. So this is what we're going to do. Same thing. Here's a free training that taught me how to make money online. And then this time I'm going to change the ending. I'm going to put a different ending. And instead of saying, check it out, I'll say, pretty interesting. Skip down and I'll say check it out. And I'll put the link under that. Oops. Put it right here. Paste the link. And you see it comes up. And then finish it off with much love, BC, and I'll put an emoji on there. And that's it. Then I'll hit post. And that's it, guys. You don't want to overcomplicate it. And you just use your social media networks. And what you're doing is just sharing information with others. And this is an asset that you have. Your friends, your family, co-workers, people that you work with, to make a lot of money with you. Now, when people click this link, and if they go through the training and they buy the service, which costs $1,000, you will make $500 for each sale. Sell 2 of those a day, and that's $1,000 a day, and they will wire the money right into your account or right into your credit card, however you set up your payment. And you do this on every network that you have. If you have Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, whatever, LinkedIn, use this to your advantage. And this way, you can make big money quickly online and in one day, very, very fast, and it works. So, with that being said, this is the end of the video. Do me a favor, if you found value, if I gave you value, please leave me a like. I would appreciate it. And drop me a subscription. I will make more videos like this and bring more information for ways that you can make money online. And most of this is organic traffic, all organic traffic. I don't pay for paid ads anymore. I haven't used paid ads in about 3 months now. I've been using these strategies and getting free organic traffic. And man, it really pays off. So with that being said, this is your boy, BC Wagner, the Mental Hustle Millionaire. I want you guys to have the best day of your life. Come on, get on board. It's free to sign up and make this money. This money is waiting for you. I mean, what would an extra $1,000, $500,000, you know, 1,500, $2,000, you know, what would that extra? What would you do with that extra money, man? That's what this is all about. Just being able to take care of your family in a way where you don't have to worry about going to a 9 to 5, going to a job to where you just simply just don't like. You owe it to yourself. So with that being said, I'm gonna get off here. It's about 6 in the morning. I've been shooting this video all night to make sure I get it right, and we really do appreciate your time and you looking at this video. Watch this video again, share it with people, and come on and get involved. Just click the link anywhere on this video. I'll leave the links in the description, and go ahead and get started, man. There's money out there waiting for you. All right, this is your boy, BC Wagner, the Mental Hustle Millionaire. Thanks for your time, and we'll catch you on the next video.